filling, hearty, and delicious beef stew over mashed potatoes. It takes 15 minutes to make on the stove, but you're busy. Let's make it in 5 minutes without ever touching the stove. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. I'm making this beef stew over mashed potatoes to serve 5, but check out my recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get this recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want leftovers or have a big party. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator. If you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in the pantry, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for 1 meal, for 5 people, or 20 people every night for 10 years. You pick your meals and we do all the calculating. Even add it to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh Cart right from our site, all free. Anyways, let's get started on our 5-minute hack for beef stew over mashed potatoes. So we're gonna start with an 8-ounce package of instant mashed potatoes and add those straight to a bowl. Then we're gonna pour 4 cups of boiling water directly onto our potatoes. Give them a good stir. Once your potatoes are looking something like that, let them sit for another couple minutes and those will be ready to go. Now we're gonna add the rest of our canned ingredients right to a glass or microwave safe bowl. We're gonna start by adding 15 ounces of beef stew. Next, we're gonna add 14.5 ounces of drained sliced carrots. And then we're gonna add a 15-ounce can of drained sweet peas. Now we're just gonna stir it all together. And now we're just gonna pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes. All right, once it's been microwaved for 2 minutes, take it out, give it a good stir, and then we're gonna nuke it for another 2 minutes. All right, our meat and veggies are ready. All right, our veggies are ready. And it's as easy as that. Our potatoes are now ready. All we have to do is dish out, scoop a little potato onto our plate. Oh, they smell so good. I love potatoes. Obviously, I named my company after them. And top it with some meat and veggies. Now the only thing left to do is dig in and enjoy. Cannot believe I put this together in 5 minutes. Seriously, so easy and so delicious. Did you believe me that I could make this meal without ever touching the stove? I mean, this meal is so easy, a kid could do it. And maybe you should have them because it is so easy and I'm sure they would love to help. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time. Dang, that tastes so good.